We are here with Felix Rodriguez in Puerto Rico in the town of Vega Baja. He is the owner of one of the service stations, but we want to know more.
Here in Puerto Rico, there's a problem with the electricity. Ever since Hurricane Maria, the power goes out very often. We have a gas station that operates 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and we always have to worry constantly because at any given moment, the backup generator could suddenly fail. With the installation of solar panels, I feel more at ease, more comfortable.
Yes, something I wanted to ask you is what was happening to you before with the energy system with Luma's electric grid? And why did you decide to install this system with energy storage?
Well, it is because Luma, the private company in charge, the entire electrical power grid infrastructure is actually a little bit messed up and unstable right now in Puerto Rico. Well, that's how things are on the island. It's not just me. There are many people making the same decision as I am because, well, this can't stop running 24 hours a day, right? And so we can't afford to have the power go out and suddenly be left without a generator. And I think it's been a success. I feel very happy because by choosing this, I feel more at ease, more comfortable. Well, it's an investment that's not a luxury. It's an investment that wasn't necessary.
And what used to happen to you before when the power went out here at your business?
Power went out. It affected me a lot because everything would fail. The cash register would turn off all the time. The power surges damaged the equipment, plus the diesel I had to put in the generator. That adds up and everything. And no one reimburses me. The authorities don't reimburse it. The bill still comes just as high. I feel very happy and a lot of people have come and liked the project I did.
Excellent. And now that you have the system working with the batteries, with the inverter, the whole storage setup, what has happened when the power goes out? Have you had any problems? Or have you been able to keep going just fine?
I don't even notice when the power goes out because it's so well integrated with the battery and the generator. After we set it up to now, I haven't noticed when the power goes out unless it's on the phone, in the app. You don't even realize that the power has gone out. Everything keeps working normally.
Do you have any recommendations or advice for other people who are thinking about it or are still unsure about installing a system like this for their business?
Well, a few people have come by and they've liked it. We have completed quite a few of these, at least so I can highly recommend it to you.
You must test it.
I have to test it and show him the good things, because a lot of people here in Puerto Rico are desperate to switch to batteries and to, solar energy because that's where we are. We're behind with the power grid. This is new for me, but I feel very happy.
Well, we were able to provide a solution together with Sol-Ark since it's a three-phase system and not all equipment meets the client's need to also be able to integrate a generator. One of the features of the Pytes battery is that we can charge it with a generator. Also, unlike other batteries on the market that don't allow us to do that, they don't have the capacity to handle a three-phase system and the energy density the client needs during those blackouts, since this requires high consumption. And those were really the reasons why we chose Pytes. We have 37.4 kilowatts in PV. The inverter is a solar 30K12208. And for Pytes batteries, we have 82 kilowatts in Pytes batteries. We have 2 cabinets of 41 kilowatts each in batteries. Pytes high voltage, which is enough to support several hours of continuous operation without having to integrate the generator.
How has the business benefited from the solar system?
Continuous operation. They don't need to rush out and start the generator. There's no need to be refilling the generator's diesel tank almost every week. And so they avoided all those headaches like having people at the stations fueling their vehicles and having to interrupt operation. If there's a power outage, absolutely nothing happens when you have backup system of that capacity. Aesthetically, these are batteries that look nice. The cabinet is attractive. In my opinion, the most important thing is the service. I haven't had any claims with Pytes. Regarding some batteries, whether it's clients who had installations done 2 years ago and had batteries installed, new ones, well, we need that support to provide updates to those new batteries, and Pytes has been there and has given us the support. They respond quickly to every question. They have an answer and a solution. I really can't complain. Whenever we've requested a service, they've always solved it for us. On the occasions when we've needed them, warranty and competitive prices. That's the reason why we choose Pytes.
Excellent. Was there anything that was complicated?
There was a small step I skipped and it triggered an alarm right away. I contacted them. It was just that you skipped a step and we already fixed it and everything was fine, everything okay. It's an excellent product, robust, easy, communication is easy, installation is easy, and zero problems. That's the most important thing, zero problems, because time is money.